Morning, students. We had seen what role do these small scale industries they play in strengthening the economy of a developing nation. They play various roles that we have already discussed. Let's now see what problems do these small industries face in India, uh, because they are established at comparatively low level and with less capital. So there are a number of problems which are faced by these small industries, and they are highly prone to undergo sickness. What is called sickness? Sickness of industries is called that they may have to, I mean, they can no longer continue their operations and they finally shut down. So when their production or their operations go slow, that is what we call as sickness of industries. So these small scale industries, they are very likely to undergo sickness because of number of reasons which we'll discuss shortly. तो क्या होता है इसमें? There are uh, various things which I mean these there are a number of crises which these small industries, this small business, they have to face. And I mean, if they can no longer cope up with these kind of crises, they finally shut down. तो वो problems क्या हैं? First one is shortage of materials and power. There is acute shortage of basic raw materials which is required by small scale units. These units are under a handicap in obtaining raw materials of requisite quality at reasonable prices because they do not have sufficient funds, so they cannot take advantage of economy of scale. Economy of scale is what? Like if you purchase something in bulk, so its price of the material reduces. बट इनके पास इतना फंड नहीं होता है कि अपना रॉ मटेरियल और जो भी इनका रिक्विसाइट मटेरियल है वो उसको बल्क में परचेस करें. दे आर जस्ट they will just be investing money as per the current requirement of the moment. जितना उनको उसी टाइम रिक्वायर्ड है उतना ही परचेस कर पाएंगे बिकॉज ऑफ देयर लिमिटेड बजट. सो उनको इकोनॉमी ऑफ स्केल नहीं मिलती है जो बल्क में परचेस करके उनको प्राइस रिड्यूस प्राइस पे मटेरियल मिल सकता है. वो एडवांटेज इन कंपनीज को नहीं मिल पाता. सेकेंडली, power because they do not have sufficient fund to arrange the backup power sources of power backup. तो उसमें क्या होता है कि बिकॉज रूरल एरियाज में यूजुअली ये इस तरह के स्मॉल इस्टेब्लिशमेंट होते हैं. पावर फेलियर इज़ अ यूजुअल फिनोमिना इन रूरल एरियाज. पावर कट्स होते रहते हैं. तो उस केस में क्या होता है कि इनकी जो ये फैसिलिटी है, जो भी इन्होंने बिजनेस सेटअप कर रखा है या जो प्लान डेवलप कर रखा है, उसका पूरा यूटिलाइजेशन नहीं हो पाता. दे कैन नॉट अरेंज द पावर बैकअप, एंड व्हेन द देयर इज पावर फेलियर, their plant stops working, so that way it cannot be utilized to its fullest. Next is lack of adequate finance. Like we had seen in case of large business firms, they can arrange finances through a number of sources. Various sources can arrange them, like working capital and fixed capital for the large business firms. But these firms, they just have to depend on their own retained earnings. They have to depend on their savings, or they can borrow money from their contacts or some government agencies. So their funding is very limited and they usually lack the adequate finance. Another problem faced by small businesses, outdated technology. What is outdated technology? Majority of small business units, they use old techniques of production. Usually क्या होता है, because as technology is advancing, so this technical development we see in every field. So we find automated machines being used by large business firms, but they are very costly, which cannot be afforded by these small business units, and they have to depend on their traditional equipments and the old technologies. So उससे क्या होता है कि इनकी जो एफिशिएंसी है वो बहुत कम रहती है. उस पे डिपेंड करके दे कैन नॉट increase their production, and I mean, they have to like operate at a very low level. They cannot afford new machines and equipment, and they are therefore not in a position to use the latest techniques of production. Next one is inadequate marketing facilities. Small scale units have to face several difficulties in the marketing and distribution of their products, because these days we see that marketing is a very important feature of any business firm. That is a medium to communicate your business processes to the public at large. But these small business units, they cannot spend any money on marketing activities, so they find it difficult to sell their output. And prices are quite high of these marketing activities, so that is again a problem for these small scale and industries. They cannot afford to spend much on advertising, sales personnel, transportation, etc. So they have to sell their products at throwaway prices. Next problem is weak organization and management. Small scale firms, they are generally managed by the owners, who are often not very skilled, and they do not possess any management skill. So that hampers the organizations, the efficiency of these business units. Because in large business firms, we see that highly efficient managerial staff is employed, who can execute managerial functions in a प्रोफेशनल वे. बट ये स्मॉल बिजनेस में क्या होता है, जो ओनर्स होते हैं यूजुअली द होल मैनेजमेंट इज़ इन देयर ओन हैंड्स. सो मैनेजमेंट एंड ओवरऑल organization of these small business units is not very good. Lack of trained personnel, again the same thing. As we see in big business houses, they usually employ highly skilled, highly qualified professional people for performing different duties, डिफरेंट फंक्शंस. किसी भी तरह का काम हो, अकाउंटिंग का वर्क हो, प्रोडक्शन स्टाफ का जो होता है, या और जो भी उसके जो भी डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स होते हैं, हर डिपार्टमेंट में हाईली क्वालिफाइड एंड प्रोफेशनल पीपल आर एम्प्लॉयड हु कैन परफॉर्म देयर ड्यूटीज़ इन अ वेरी proper way. But in these units, usually the people who learn something with their own experiences, who learn something not in like a professional manner, they are employed. So this again affects their working. Next is labor. What happens in the small business units, जो लेबर पे किया जाता है, लेबर चार्ज पे किया जाता है, that is much less as compared to big business houses. तो यूजुअली क्या होता है कि इसमें जो लोगों को एम्प्लॉय किया जाता है, people who are working for small business units, once they get trained, once they are they acquire the required skill, they are always trying to move out to go for greener pastures. They would be aiming to get appointed in some bigger business house. सीखने के बाद जब उनको काम की ट्रेनिंग हो जाती है और सीख लेते हैं, तो वो कोशिश करते हैं कि वो यहाँ से स्विच करें बड़े बिजनेस हाउस पे, जहाँ पर दे कैन गेट बेटर रेम्यूनरेशन. तो इस तरह से इनका क्या होता है कि जो लेबर जो इसमें जो यूज़ होता है, लेबर फोर्स, वो फ्रीक्वेंटली चेंज होने का रहता है. आई मीन दे आर नॉट वेरी स्टेबल, बिकॉज उनका पेमेंट, उनका रेम्यूनरेशन कम रहता है. तो वो हमेशा कोशिश में रहते हैं कि अपनी ग्रोथ के लिए दे वुड ऑलवेज बी लाइक trying to get out and move to some bigger business house where they can grow, they can have better remunerations. Next is quality. Since the technology which is being used in these small business units, it is not very sophisticated, जैसे बड़े बिजनेस फर्म्स में जहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा कैपिटल इन्वेस्टमेंट होता है, वहाँ पर ऑटोमेटेड मशीन्स एंड वेरी गुड टेक्नोलॉजी, लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी का यूज़ करके काम होते हैं, बिजनेस प्रोसेसेस को हैंडल किया जाता है. सो ऑब्वियसली द क्वालिटी ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स इज मच बेटर एज प्रोड्यूस्ड इन द स्मॉल बिजनेस यूनिट्स. सो that again affects their sale value. Global competition, as we see that competition is increasing in every field. So for these small business unit, they find it really difficult to compete with the other business firms operating in the same field. So these are the problems faced by small businesses in India. We'll continue with these topics. We have understood all these problems which are faced by small scale industries. Now, in the next session, we'll see what support do small scale industries get from the central or state governments. What kind of schemes or what kind of measures are being taken by the government to support small scale industries in India. So this is all for today, and we'll continue with this topic tomorrow. Thank you.